Good job. Can you help him turn? Turn him around. Slowly, gently. Turn back a little. Slowly, slowly. Beep, beep. Okay. That's it. Can you help him turn? Sure. Turn him. Slowly. Slowly. That's it. Okay, help him turn him, please. Good job, Kuya. You're such a good Kuya. Yeah. Yeah. Turn him, baby. Hello. Well done. Clap your hands. Clap your hands, Sebastian. Yeah. Clap, 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 clap. Big clap. Yeah. Good job. Good job. You're walking too.
How about me?
Just a minute. Clap, clap, clap. Oh, you're standing up without any support. That is fantastic. Can you turn him? Can you turn? Big clap for Kuya too, because he's such a good helper. You're helping the yellow walk. Okay, okay. Be careful not to run him over. Help him. All right. That's good. Good job. Clap, clap, clap. Yay. Yay. Okay, be careful now. Be careful. Okay, let him go. Let him go. Well done. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Yay. Clap. That's it. Move it. Move it. Let him walk. Let him move it. Move it. Oh. Good job. Yeah. Well done. Turn it. Turn it. Gently. Okay, let him walk. Wow, you are so fast, dear. You are so fast. Wow. Yay. Turn it, please. Slowly now. Okay, that's it. That's it. Let it go. Well done, Diallo. Well done, Sebastian. Well done, you two. Turn it around. Turn it around. Gently, baby, gently. Hey, baby. Hi. Clap, clap, clap.